Guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install NeoForge in Minecraft 1.21.11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then go to the website that is called neoforge.net. Then you should see Minecraft version, select the latest one here, and then click here to download installer, right? And save it to your computer. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to, of course, get mods for that, for NeoForge. So go to CurseForge here, then select Minecraft, then select Browse All, sort out by NeoForge here, and select mod that you want to, for example, download. Then what you need to do here is to go to Files, then select all game versions here, and look for NeoForge here. Click on it, look if there is no dependencies, in this case there is not, and then just save it to your computer as well. Then next up, what you need to do here is to double click on NeoForge and wait for a couple of seconds. Make sure to completely close Minecraft and Minecraft client and then install a NeoForge here, right? If for some reason you get error while install NeoForge, there is basically two ways why. First, Minecraft is not completely closed, and another one, you don't have Java. So to get Java, you just need to open up your browser, and then you just need to write Java download and download latest version here and install to your computer, and then it will work. Then what you need to do here is to open up Minecraft launcher and go to installations here and look for NeoForge, right? As you can see here, should be somewhere here. You should see NeoForge, then press on the open installation folder here. Then what you need to do here is to look for mods folder. If you don't have mods folder, just press new and create one, name it mods, and then you just need to simply open your and put your mod here and run the game through NeoForge here, right? So we're in the game, and if I open mods folder, as you can see here, my mod is working. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.